Hello dear students, today we will be solving another question wherein the bank balance is given as per passbook. The first sum which I have solved is of bank balance given as per cash book. I'll read out the question and simultaneously will be solving it. From the following details, find out the balance as per cash book of Mr. Arvind as on 30th June 2024. So here is the solution for that. Bank reconciliation statement as on 30th June 2024. We have been given balance as per passbook. Balance as per passbook. The amount which we have been given is 14,000. I will mention it in the outer column, rupees 14,000. The answer which we are going to get is balance as per cash book. You can mention it at the last line, balance as per cash book. Okay, we will get it after doing certain calculation of the discrepancies which we have find. Okay, the second adjustment which we have been given is two checks of rupees 8,900 and 10,700 were issued on 25th June. Issued means पैसा गया. Deposits means पैसा आया. Here we have done issue means हमारे पास से पैसा गया. Out of which only one check of rupees 8,900 was presented for payment before 30th June. Here I will show you a rough note wherein cash book, the debit side is of deposits, the credit side is of issues, whereas in passbook the debit side is of issues or withdrawals and credit side is of deposits. So the rule which we will be applying is plus minus plus minus. For your better understanding, I am highlighting it by mentioning it into the circles. The first one, two checks of 8,900 and 10,700 were issued on 25th June, out of which only one check was presented for payment, that is 8,900. It was issued and it was presented, means no posting for this 8,900. But 10,700 was not yet presented for payment. Then we have to mention it. Okay, 10,700. It is an issue. I'll mention here 10,700. I've mentioned it in the minus column, so we are going to mention it in the minus column. This is add, this is less, check issued, but not presented for payment. Amount is 10,700. I hope this entry is clear to you all. Next, check of rupees 16,400 were deposited. Deposited means पैसा आया. But only one check of rupees 6,400 was cleared by bank. It means 16,400 का जो हमने check deposit करे थे, there were two checks, out of which one check of 6,400 was cleared by bank. Means हमारे बैंक में कितना पैसा आया? 6,400. But still 10,000 is left to get clear. Correct? तो हम लोग 10,400 का एंट्री करेंगे. Here 10,000. It is in the add column. We are going to mention check deposited but not cleared. Amount is 10,000. ये amount 10,000 कैसे आया? 2 checks were there of 16,400 total. 6,400 का जो चेक था it was cleared on 28 June. The balance amount is 10,000. We are mentioning it here as check deposited but not cleared, rupees 10,000. The next entry, cash of rupees 5,500 withdrawn from bank for personal use not recorded in cash book. मीन्स जो हम लोग कैलकुलेशन करेंगे हम लोग कैश बुक में नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज देयर वॉज नो एंट्री इन कैश बुक. पासबुक में विड्रॉवल, एज आई मैंशन, issues are our withdrawals. The amount is rupees 5,500. 5,500 क्या हो रहा है, ऐड हो रहा है. तो हम लोग यहाँ ऐड में लिखेंगे कैश विड्रॉन फॉर पर्सनल यूज. अमाउंट इज रुपीज 5,500. ओके, ये जो स्टेटमेंट है ना, यू कैन मेंशन द स्टेटमेंट एज पर द स्टेटमेंट्स इन द क्वेश्चन. ओके, विल मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट एंट्री. रुपीज 350 बैंक इंसिडेंटल चार्जेस डेबिटेड टू मिस्टर अरविंद अकाउंट नॉट रिकॉर्डेड इन कैश बुक. अगेन यहाँ पर कोई रिकॉर्ड नहीं है कैश बुक में. हम लोग ये कैश बुक की साइड नहीं देखेंगे, हम लोग पासबुक में देखेंगे. इट वॉज डेबिटेड मीन्स हम लोग डेबिट साइड में लिखेंगे. कितना अमाउंट, रुपीज 350. सिंस इट वॉज डेबिटेड हम लोग क्या करेंगे, ऐड बैंक इंसिडेंटल चार्जेस डेबिटेड. इंसिडेंटल चार्जेस डेबिटेड amount is rupees 350. ओके, ये एंट्री समझ आ गई. विल मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन. द नेक्स्ट वन इज देयर वॉज अ डेबिट इन पासबुक ऑफ 7,500 in respect of check dishonored on 30th June. Debit in the passbook, it is clearly mentioned in the question itself, it is a debit in passbook. हम डेबिट साइड ऑफ पासबुक में मेंशन करेंगे अमाउंट 7,500. इसे हमें ऐड करना है, लेस करना है, ऐड करना है. क्या लिखेंगे हम लोग, चेक डिसऑनर्ड. तुम लोग चेक डिसऑनर्ड भी लिख सकते हो या डेबिट इन पासबुक ड्यू टू चेक डिसऑनर्ड भी लिख सकते हो. अमाउंट इज रुपीज 7,500. The last entry which we have is interest of rupees 425 was credited in passbook only. Again passbook only which means हम लोग कैश बुक नहीं देखेंगे, हम लोग पासबुक देखेंगे. credited, credit side means deposits, interest आया है कितना, रुपीज 425. it is minus, हम लोग यहाँ लेस में लिखेंगे interest credited recorded only in passbook. Amount is rupees 425. All adjustments are done. Now we will do the calculations and get the answer. Okay, just give me a couple of minutes, I'll do the calculations. We'll do addition of this 10,000 plus 5,500 plus 350 plus 7,500. The amount which we get is 23,350. You can give a cross check to these figures. Next, 10,700 plus 425. The amount is coming 11,125. ये जो अमाउंट है हम लोग इनटू द ब्रैकेट मेंशन करेंगे बिकॉज हमें इसे माइनस करना है. एंड हम अकाउंट्स में जिस भी फिगर को माइनस करते होते हैं हम उसे ब्रैकेट में मेंशन करते हैं. विल डू एडिशन ऑफ दिस, दैट इज 14,000 प्लस 23,350. द अमाउंट वी आर गेटिंग इज 37,350. बट वी आर गोइंग टू डिडक्ट दिस 11,125. The amount which we are getting is 26,225. This is the balance as per cash book. I hope you would have understood all the discrepancies ka posting how we are doing. I'll get back with another sum, okay, wherein the adjustments would be a difficult one, or we can say more tricky to solve. Okay, thank you, all the best.